Hello class, welcome back to XY Lecture 101. So before anything else, I would like to extend my gratitude to my co-teacher, Sir Alden Monte Alegre, to my friend Jello Livara, to my former students at Coronado School of Quezon City, to my present students at Arellano University Jose Abad Santos, to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me here on my YouTube channel. May God bless us all. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about virus. And these are the questions to be answered throughout the video. Number 1, what is virus? Number 2, what are the two types of virus? Number 3, what is coronavirus? Number 4, where did the coronavirus come from? Number 5, what happens when you get coronavirus? Number 6, what are the pathways of respiratory systems that affected by coronavirus? Number 7, what are the symptoms of coronavirus? Number 8, what is the prevention for coronavirus? And lastly, number 9, is there treatment for coronavirus? So if you are new here, please subscribe or hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next videos. Keep on watching! Now we are going to start our discussion. Please listen attentively. So what is virus? So virus, it is an infectious agent, non-living thing, or acellular. It means they don't contain cells. It needs host cells to multiply or replicate. It infects all the types of life form like animals, plants, microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea. Okay, we have two types of virus, DNA-based virus and RNA-based virus. So what is the difference between DNA-based virus and RNA-based virus? So when we say DNA-based virus are predominantly double-stranded DNA, like for example, adenovirus and poxvirus. So when we say RNA-based virus are predominantly single-stranded RNA, like for example, HIV, retrovirus, and coronavirus. So when we say DNA-based virus, the viral DNA will enter the nucleus and then it will integrate itself to the genetic code or to the DNA of the cell to copy the genetic code. So after duplication of genetic code, the DNA will uncoil and then the RNA will go outside the nucleus going to cytoplasm. So if the viral RNA go outside, it will command the ribosome or the protein machinery to produce viral protein so that they will multiply. So unlike RNA-based virus, it doesn't need to reach the nucleus to multiply. It directly attacks the ribosome or the machinery protein to command to produce viral protein for them to multiply. Number 3, what is coronavirus? So coronavirus disease or COVID19, it is a contagious disease caused by the newly discovered corona disease that attacks your throat or lungs. It is RNA-based virus. It means that it doesn't need to get inside the nucleus in order to copy the genetic code of the cell, and it demands the ribosomes or the protein machinery to produce viral protein. It directly attacks the ribosomes and demands to produce viral protein for them to multiply. Where did the coronavirus come from? So, based on World Health Organization China Joint Mission, the early cases identified in Wuhan wholesale seafood market, and later on they concluded it is originated from bat or paniki. What happens when you get coronavirus? When infected man talking, coughing, sneezing through his droplets or fluid, coronavirus transfer from one person to another. Virus enter to your nose, mouth, trachea, largest tubes or bronchi, and the smallest tube, bronchioles, and the tiny sacs, alveoli. So did you know that we have 60 million alveoli in our lungs? And then our alveoli are very flexible like a balloon. When you inhale, the alveoli inflate. When you exhale, the alveoli deflate. Alveoli surrounded by the smallest blood vessels called capillaries. Capillaries allow the oxygen to pass through from alveoli to the blood and get rid carbon dioxide from the lungs. When the pneumonocyte or lung cell overwhelmed or defeated by coronavirus, alveoli will be filled with fluids or pus that is resulting inflammation of lungs or pneumonia. We have two types of pneumonia, lobar pneumonia and bronchopneumonia. So it may result difficulty in breathing, fever, headache, confusion, and fatigue. Based for Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, these are the symptoms that may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure from infected. Fever, coughing, headache, sore throat, shortness of breath, diarrhea, vomiting and nausea, and chills. So, you don't have to experience all the symptoms to be concluded that you are infected. If you are experiencing or if you have any of these symptoms, please stay at home, don't panic, call your health provider or your medical provider, or else go to the nearest hospital immediately. How do we prevent COVID-19? We can prevent COVID-19, just follow the World Health Organization guidelines about hand hygiene. It means that always wash your hand properly and then use alcohol. So if you are washing your hand, it takes 20 to 30 seconds. If you don't know how to wash your hand properly, I uploaded videos regarding proper hand washing. Just look the link below at the description box. The second one, we have a respiratory hygiene. So when we say respiratory hygiene, if you are talking, sneezing, coughing, cover your mouth with handkerchief or tissue paper. Tissue paper should be disposed properly. The third one, social distancing. So keep 1 meter away from people. And the last one, stay at home. So stay at home to be safe from COVID-19. Do not get outside if it's not necessary. Is there treatment for COVID-19? As of now, there is no specific treatment for COVID-19. Just prevent the symptoms. You know guys, this coronavirus disease or COVID-19 have been killing thousands of people worldwide and will be added to the history of causes of extinction of organisms. Let's fight COVID-19, stay at home, pray, and we can get through this together. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next videos.
Coronavirus, stop! Seriously, you're killing the vibe. Like, just come on, man. Seriously, just stop.